What is your name?
My name is Jessica.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How long are you here?
I'm here for 1 week.
Is this your first visit?
No, I was here before.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it very much.
Are you here alone?
No, I'm with my friend.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
Where do you work?
I work at a school.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
No, not yet.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.